Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we got another video today on the Kabolite excavator, and this one is for the grabber. Now, unlike the larger models, these ones are electronically controlled with a servo, and you just get the grabbing action, you don't get the rotating action as well. But yeah, let's bring in for a close-up look and see how we get on with this one. So if you've been following any of our vids so far, we've got the quick disconnect fitted. So let's get this a bit more where I can reach it. So we're going to take off our bucket, and then you've got the actual grabber. Now we need to get our little metal attachments bars put in place. So if you've been following any of my other vids, these all come with the 100S kit or dash 100S. And they're not too much of a stress to put together. You just need to line them up. Make sure you've got the collar lined up with the little holes. And as I said in the last video, I'm quite impressed at sort of the lack of slop and play in a lot of these parts. They certainly seem to be pretty tight tolerances. So we'll get two of them put in place and then get them dropped through. And just looking at the parts that we get in the bag with this one, unlike the other two bags, they both had one extra screw. This one comes with just enough. So we don't get extra screws in this bag or extra bolts. But we've got our quick release that we can now put on. Not really sure if it's meant to go that way or if it's designed to go that way. I think for me it looks like it fits better on that side, and then we just need to bring these up. So we have got a tiny little dot on here and a dot on that with the slot facing forward. So if we plug that one in, and then I'll try the other side with slot facing forward. Yep, that works exactly the same. So we've got that in. Then it's set for this top. So it will open. Let's see if we've got something to see, if we can see what sort of pressure this is going to put on it. So if we get the original tub that the oil came in, so it looks like it can quite easily hold the oil tub. That's not going to be a problem. And it does look like it automatically stops when it grabs. So if we just move that out of the way, so it will stop, or you can just let it go away and then it'll just stop on its own. So I don't think it's going to be a concern sort of damaging it by not stopping it as soon as it grabs. It looks like it does it quite alright all on its own. So at different points it will grab. But yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. If any of you would like, I can set up, I can do other videos to show you how this transmitter is set up and what channel it's set up on for this grabber. But I'm going to do quite a few more videos on this transmitter because there's a good few things that I've actually changed. But yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. So it looks like you have to go from centre out to let it release. So if you switch it straight back, it doesn't release. So you have to go from grab to centre, then to release. If you jump straight across all three positions, it's not going to go to the opposite of what it's doing. But yeah, quite impressed. And as I say, I'm quite happy with the amount of control that you have over this. Because quite a few videos I saw kind of shown that it was sort of all or nothing on the movement. But there is a lot more control that you've got. But yeah, that's the quick disconnect setup for the Kabolite grabber. And that's the sort of functionality of it. Quite impressed. Does what it should. Unfortunately, doesn't do a whole lot for my piloting skills of an excavator. I am getting there slowly. But yeah, it is possible to use it as a grabber. It is pretty accurate. And it's not going to have an issue moving things like this little hydraulic tub around. So yeah, although we don't have the ability to spin it, we do have quite a lot of movement on it. And it is quite a tidy little thing. It's not difficult to fit. And it's very easy to operate. I just need some practice. But yeah, that's the Kabolite grabber on the 336GC or K961 excavator. But hopefully that made sense, and you can follow the video on how to plug it in and attach it, and let's wrap this one up. So there you have it, the electronically activated grabber for the K961-100S, I think it is, Kabolite excavator. Quite a funky little thing, bright coloured, does what it says it does, or does what it said it should. So yeah, quite happy with that. Another amusing little thing if you like messing around with these excavators and everything. But hopefully you found that useful or entertaining. But don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.